One of the main things you do on your laptop or your phone is typing. When you text your friend, you type. When you seek to find out things on Google, you type. When you want to watch a video online, you type. It's literally the most basic and most common action to perform on any device that you have. And in light with that, I want you to know that you can actually earn tons of money just by typing some words online. Bet you didn't know that. He will be back before you know it anyway. With any device that you have, no matter where you are on the 7 continents in the globe, you can type online to earn some bucks. Imagine this, you can make 50 cents every single second, and that's actually enormous considering it's only for a single second. Now keep in mind that this entire money-making method is relatively easy and of course absolutely 100% free. I am here to help you work your way up into the money-making world, so just stay with me until the end of this video and make sure not to skip ahead as I reveal this brand new method where you can earn fat stacks of cash easily and conventionally. Just a little heads up, this video will contain a comprehensive step-by-step process of every single detail that is performed. If you really want to make money online, like I said earlier, you can make use of any device that you have. And if you happen to want to use your mobile device, then I have great news for you. It does not matter whether you are an iOS or Android device, because this whole thing can be accessed using both of those software types. This means that you can freely download the app on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, and honestly that just screams convenience. To start of this video, I want you all to visit this website called thetypingtest.com, where you can check your typing skills in a minute to allow you to measure your typing capabilities. Before I proceed, let me remind you that you should never leave this video and never skip ahead, because you might miss out some information that is pretty important to pull this entire thing off. So lend me your fullest attention and listen very closely to everything that I am teaching you. With that said, let's proceed with the video. As you can see right here on the typing test page, you can type away to join over 150 million test takers. Now you see this button right here. I want you to click on that, and then you can see these options where you can freely choose how long you want your typing test to last. There's 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and so on. And just below that button, you can see another button right here where you can again liberally select the appropriate typing test you need depending on what is required from you. So allow me to unburden you with the effort and discerning as to what specifics you are going to input for your typing test. For this video, I want you to have an easy test good for 1 minute. So simply select 1 minute and easy test. As soon as you're done with that, hit the start test button right here to move things along. And the typing test will take you to this page where you can now begin to take the test proper. Alright, so welcome to your test. Obviously these are the words that you have to type, so just simply type them just right down below the given text. You can also view the time spent on the upper left portion of the box to monitor your progress, and time consumed on the middle portion of the box. You have the option to select what mode you wish to pursue. May it be normal mode or pro mode. For the sake of this example, let's just select simple mode to speed things up, and I suggest you do the same. So you got it. As soon as you start typing the very first letter in the text, the clock will automatically begin, signifying the official start of your test. Once you have done that, there's no turning back at this point, so make sure to use the best of your abilities and typing in as many words as you can. So here's how you can do it in real time, and that's an entire minute. So our time has run up to type the whole text. By now we are just going to wait for the results, as this command will appear saying analyzing results. Just give it a few seconds, and then voila, you can now access your typing skills test results. Your scores will be split into 3 main categories, namely typing speed, accuracy, and lastly your net speed. Now just keep this information for now, as we are going to make use of them later on. After completing the typing test, you will now follow with the typing course is seen on the left side of the page. So just click on that with no fuss. Now for the typing course, you have all the freedom in the world to enroll yourself in courses and classes in order to enhance and improve your typing capabilities through additional intervention. Just like these courses, you will have a much more robust profile that will surely amplify your application to greater heights. So basically you are going to need to undergo these courses, as they are prerequisites for the following websites that I'm going to unveil later on, since the whole platform encompasses typing. So stay tuned to learn about this and to know how you can make money with the websites I'm going to show you shortly. Oh, and before I forget, enrolling in typing courses will not cost you a single penny, since it is 100% free, as I said in the beginning of this video, so there's absolutely nothing to worry about. And again, before I forget, this is not just some requirement that you have to comply for the sake of adherence. The courses will allow you to maximize your typing potentials, and it can only mean one thing: you are going to type so much faster and more efficiently and accurately, which will then pave the way way for you to earn more and more money. Before we proceed, let me give you this period to smash that like button down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, tell us what you think about this video so far by leaving a comment down below. Now enough of that, as we get back right into the video. At this juncture, you are probably wondering how you can make money now that you have sufficed the requirements. Well, buckle up, because I'm going to reveal the website right now, which is called Rev.com. As you visit their main page, you are greeted with an overview as to how they work in general, and that is they convert audio and video to text. Just right below that you can see these three options, which are the services they offer to their clients, namely transcription, captions, and foreign subtitles. Now these three methods correspond to what you have to do to earn some cash using .com. With transcription, you are going to convert audio or video into text and earn $1.25 per minute. With captions, you are going to caption a video for $1.25 as well. And lastly, you can do foreign subtitles, where you're going to translate videos and play subtitles, which will pay you a much larger amount, reaching $3 to $7 per minute. Now, before we dive deep into all of these, feel free to navigate through the home page and discover all the information that you wish to find out, as they are transparent and clear in every detail there is. Once you're through with that, let's head on to the bottom of the home page and click on this button which says Become a Freelancer, and then you will be taken to this page where you can find some pretty good information about your job description. You have a flexible work schedule. You can choose from hundreds of jobs and you will get paid weekly. Now I want you to scroll a little bit more and you can find the section where they will tell you that you can begin in just 3 easy steps. Step 1, take a quick test to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills. Step 2, submit a transcription sample which will be reviewed to ensure it meets customer quality expectations. And step number 3, if you are approved, you'll be able to register and start earning right away. And guess what? You can perform all of this without paying for anything. So make sure to try this website out so you can earn tons of money in a quick blink of an eye. If you're still with me, then you're absolutely in luck, as I'm going to show you another website where you can manifest your typing skills the same way with the previous website. This is called Transcribing.com, which is basically another transcription site where your audio and video files are transcribed by humans for speed and accuracy. As we scroll the page, Transcribe Me offers the following services: data annotation, transcription, translation, and AI data sets. This page shows everything you need to know, so I won't go into much detail about that, but I suggest you read up so that you will know what you're getting into. But trust me, I have done plenty of research, and I'm telling you this website is effective and legitimate. With that said, let me show you how you can sign up. Just click on this section on the upper right portion of the page that says Jobs, and then you will be redirected to this page where you can now begin your application. Everything is just self-explanatory, so I won't dig deep into that anymore. Just fill out every field right here and finally hit the Create Profile button, and just like that, you can now begin your journey with this website. Just a little reminder before I end this video, make sure to follow the typing tests and enroll in the typing courses, because these are significantly crucial for your application. Both Rev and Transcribe Me will require you to submit your test results to make sure that you have good scores. You can practice your typing skills by yourself and do not ever get tired, because everything is going to be worth it in the end. And besides, you can take the typing test as many times as you want, so just continue to take the test until you reach a highly satisfactory score. And that pretty much sums up the entire video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked this video, and leave a comment down below if you found the entire thing informative and interesting. And lastly, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can be one of the first ones to know some brand new money-making techniques online. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, you're going to want to watch one of these 2 videos right here. Enjoy.